Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about flash type A to D converter. Basically, the A to D converter is classified into two groups. One is the indirect type ADC, another one is the direct type ADC. Flash type A to D converter is the direct conversion of A to D converter. And it is also named as parallel comparator. Why? Because simultaneously we can compare the analog input voltage with the reference voltage and it gives the output, so that it is named as parallel comparator. Now let us discuss about flash type ADC in detail. This is the simplest possible A to D converter and it is the fastest conversion method and most expensive technique. For the simplicity of the circuit, let us consider 3-bit A to D converter. So the circuit consists of 8 comparators and 8 to 3 line encoder. So we are going to discuss about the comparator and its truth table. Each node of the resistive divider, here the resistor value is equal and the voltage available at each nodes are equally divided between the reference voltage and the ground. What is the purpose of this conversion? So the purpose of the circuit is to compare analog input voltage with the node voltage. Now let us see the circuit for the flash type A to D converter. This is the basic circuit of flash type A to D converter. So totally 8 comparators are needed. This is a comparator 1, this is a comparator 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 comparators are required for this flash type A to D converter. Here the analog input voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal of the comparator. So see here, all the comparator, the non-inverting terminal is supplied by the analog input voltage and the reference voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal of the comparator. Now the comparator compares the two input voltage and it provides the output. And what is the logic behind for this flash type A to D converter? If the analog input is higher than the reference voltage, the output of the comparator value will be 1. If the analog input voltage is lesser than the reference voltage, the comparator output will be 0. If the analog input voltage is equal to the reference voltage, the previous value is maintained. Okay, so now let us see that analog input voltage with that known reference voltage. So if the analog input is higher, x0 is equal to 1. And here we have compared the two input voltage. If the analog input is higher, the output of the comparator is equal to 1. And likewise, each comparator, it will provide the outputs equal to 1. And here we have followed the priority encoder, and this is the 8 to 3-bit priority encoder, and based on the priority bit it will provide the output equal to 1. Now let us see the truth table for this flash type A to D converter, and this is the comparator and its truth table. And see here, so if the input voltage is higher than the reference voltage, here the input voltage denoted as VA and the reference voltage denoted as VD, the output for the comparator is equal to 1. If the input voltage or analog input voltage is lesser than the reference voltage, the output of the comparator is 0. If the analog input voltage is equal to the reference voltage, the previous value is retained. So this is the simple for the comparator. So based on the logic, so the comparator, it will provide the output. And this is that input voltage or analog voltage, the node voltage between 0 to VR by 8. Okay, so the output of the comparator 1 will be produced as a 1. So that is the analog input voltage higher than the reference voltage, the output of the comparator will be 1. And likewise, each comparator, it will provide the output. And how to find the node voltage of the comparator? Now let us see the circuit. And now how it is that VR by 8 or else 1 by 8 VR. So if I want to find the node voltage V1, that is equal to R by 8R into V reference. So R cancel, so that V reference by 8, that is the value of voltage at node 1. If I want to find out the node voltage 2, that is V2 is equal to 2R by 8R into V reference. So that is 2 by 8, so that it is at 1 by 4 V reference. Okay. Like that 3 by 8 VR, this is a 4 by 8 VR. So 4 by 8, 4 into 8, so that is a 1 by 8, 1 by 2 VR. This is a 5 by 8, and this is a 6 by 8, and this is a 7 by 8 VR. This is to find the node voltage of V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 and V7. So based on this, the comparator will provide the output. The logic is that if the analog input is higher than the reference voltage, the output will be 1, otherwise the output will be 0 of the comparator. Okay. So this is that priority encoder output. So priority encoder, it is denoted as Y0, Y1, Y2. So this is the lowest priority and this is the highest priority of the comparator. Okay. So if the lowest priority is 1, we don't have any highest priority, so all the output of the encoder is 0. And this is the highest priority, this is the lowest priority, so the highest priority is 1, so it will retain, it is at 1. And here for this comparator, this is the highest priority compared with that lowest priority, so that this output is 1. Likewise, we have followed all the remaining values are retained. Okay, this is the highest priority, so it is compared with that lowest priority, the value of Y1, Y0, that is equal to 1. So like that we have followed this that truth table of the priority encoder. So based on that, the output will be generated 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here our main focus is that we are compare the analog signal with the reference signal. If the analog input is higher, the output will be 1, otherwise the output will be 0. So this is the logic behind for this flash type A to D converter. So what is the drawback or what is the disadvantages for the circuit? So the number of comparators is required for this conversion is more if the number of bits are more. For example, if it is that 3-bit conversion, so number of comparators are 8. If it is at 4-bit conversion, so number of comparators are required for this conversion is that 16. So like that, number of comparator values increase, but advantage is that fast conversion, rapid conversion, within a fraction of a second, the analog signal, it will be converted into a digital signal. So thanks to you.